Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to explore how CPUs handle data transfer between registers using a simple MATLAB simulation. This experiment will help us understand the basics of processor, operations, instruction, execution, and temporary data storage. In the first code, here we are simulating two CPU registers AX and BX. AX starts with the value 5 and BX starts with the value 10. Think of registers as small superfast storage units inside the CPU. So in the second one, we print the initial values to the console so we can see what's the inside AX and BX before any transfer happens. In the third one, we see this line is the heart of the experiment. It copies the value from BX into AX. Notice that BX remains unchanged. It still holds 10, but AX now takes on BX's value. Then for the fourth one, we see that after the transfer, both AX and BX contain the value 10. This shows how registers can share data without altering the source register. So the output confirms that AX successfully copied BX's value. This behavior is exactly like the MOV instruction in assembly language, where data is transferred between registers. So what did we learn? Register transfer operations allow CPUs to move data efficiently between registers. This simple simulation demonstrates how processors temporarily store and copy data during execution. These operations form the foundation for advanced concepts like pipelining and instruction cycles. Thank you.